While both the Pacific and Atlantic coast crews are battling major wildfires in California, more than 100 homes have been destroyed by a fire in Ventura County.
We looked out the windows and saw a lot of smoke in the canyon and cars going down the road with horns of blaring saying, "Get out of here, get out of here."
Meanwhile, on the East Coast, crews are fighting another fire burning on the New York-New Jersey border that left one person dead. An 18-year-old volunteer New York State Forest Ranger died while responding to the wildfire, which has grown to nearly 5 square miles and is currently only 10% contained. And joining us now from California is Shaun McCarty with Catholic Charities of Los Angeles. Shaun, great to be with you today. Talk to us about the situation where you are right now in California. What are you seeing and how bad is it?
It's difficult to tell right now how bad it is because we can't really go into the area for safety reasons. I was out there on Friday and it's about a couple miles from where the fire started and we couldn't really see smoke, although I think it's about 30% contained right now. I haven't gotten an update yet today, but later on this afternoon I will.
Yeah, and just looking at the images, it just looks really terrible out there. How is Catholic Charities assisting folks?
Mostly what we're doing right now is we are part of an organization called VOAD, Ventura County Organization for Disaster Relief. And what we do is we join up with them in order to better serve the community. We really don't like to move in until the first responders have said it's safe. And so basically we're in an organization mode right now, collecting whatever donations we can, mostly financial donations.
Yeah, and I was going to ask you this, Shaun. What are the biggest needs right now? What are you seeing?
Well, we've had over 500 calls for help. People call into 211 to find out what resources are out there. Mostly what people need right now is housing and food gift cards. So there are organizations that can help with that. And so if anybody contacts the VOAD in Ventura, they can find out how to best donate.
I know the Catholic Charities, not only do you help on the short term, but also with long-term assistance. Can you tell us about that and how you help folks kind of rebuild after this happens?
So this is about the third, well, I've worked on 3 disasters, and this may be the 4th one I work. And mostly what we do at Catholic Charities is long-term recovery. And so that takes about 2 years of a program. And we find organizations that do have, let's say, financial help or volunteer help, and we put them in contact with the survivors of these disasters. And as I said, yeah, it can take even longer than 2 years. Mostly we try to find places where people can be safe. And if they need anything else, they let us know. We help out with construction. We help out with rental assistance sometimes. Sometimes it's just as simple as helping out with utilities or food assistance.
Yeah, real quick, Shaun, before I let you go, for those that may want to help out either in California or New York, New Jersey, how can they do so?
Well, you can always contact the Catholic Charities for a disaster like this because it's so soon. They may not have any type of an account set up right away. We like people to specify exactly which disaster they're helping out with. And in Ventura, you can contact the VC VOAD to donate directly to. Right. I'm not sure in New Jersey how they can do it, but you can also contact the Catholic Charities USA or the local Catholic Charities to help out.
Okay, great, Shaun. Thank you so much, and thank you for all you do. God bless.
God bless. Thank you for having me.